Hey, real quick, before we jump into this one, I just want to say, please stay safe out there. Hurricane Helene is really doing damage. I want everybody to be safe, but while you're inside and you're staying safe, let me give you a little treat that you can create tonight. And in today's episode, we're going to be doing the lemon drop dirty Sprite. Now, from the outside looking in, I know you may think that this one may be a little bit more tart than it is, but it's not, trust me. And believe me when I say we have edited and made several adjustments to this drink because the two of these flavors combined really do something special. And to be quite honest, Jackson was really just playing around with these flavors, but I don't think he knew what he was really dabbling in when he let me taste this drink. That boy good. And the tart but sweet blackberry brings something really special to the Sprite. But when you concoct the tangy but sweet lemon flavor to the cold foam, bro, you're dabbling in something unknown here, bro. What are you doing? And had I not known any better, I would have thought that there was some type of Skittles introduced to this drink, but there was not. These are merely just flavors that you can find and combine yourself. For more drink recipes like this, like and follow our page, and I'll see you on the next episode.